Yes.
So, and you have it over. You can charge at home. You can charge at home.
Sir, I'm going to share. The second owner ko dito sa BYD as far as I know, is Dr. Yokoya, who is the one that buys the first BYD. But since I rent this for 20,000 kilometers, I never charge in the charging station, even if it's I also charge it at home. So your requirement is when you buy this, it's on the home charger. It's very convenient. When you go home, you just plug in the charger. You do it outside of your home. If your requirement is you didn't have a garage, that's the basic even owning your own vehicle nice. The beauty of BYD is makapit na din ang smoke chargers. You get the portable charger. If you go to Mazda, you have a 3-pong socket with connected to the one with the charge and maligayo. Pagkauma na lang, so wala yung need for charger. So I don't know
Yes, the incentive given back to
Jude. We have Miguel here from the Universal Incentive.
Incentive is more important, not on us buyers. So, the price of the media will be lower. Okay, so that's what we expect. And then about the charging stations, actually the DOE has this department circular that we are requiring all electrical charging stations to be registered with the Department of Energy. And we have already the list of all charging stations in the country. And so that all the users can allocate what are the chargers. So like we said, we have SM here in Orange. And then there will be upcoming department circulars that will be issued to the Department of Energy requiring all establishments and maybe this station is being affected, then we will be having the charging station. That will be one of the program activities of the Department of Energy